Alright, the third in the new series called My Big Backyard Birds. I taped the GoPro underneath the feeder looking up. You can see the pergola, and you can see a tufted titmouse feeding and a nuthatch in the background. They sort of scoot up and down the pole like woodpeckers, but they're little and they kind of have a bluish tint to them, and they're cute as can be to try and recreate. So there's the nuthatch. And while we're looking at this, I realized that black-capped chickadees and Carolina chickadees are very similar in appearance, and I'm not sure whether I have a black-capped chickadees family or Carolina chickadee families. At any rate, they both do range along the Appalachian Mountains all the way down to Chattanooga, so there's a potential for black-capped chickadees being that far south. And you can tell from underneath that that's a nuthatch from its long pointed bill and the way it looks. They're pretty smart little birds. Alright, I don't think the color's as good or the lighting is as good from this direction, so I stuck the GoPro just right on top of the feeder facing out towards my big backyard, and am recording right now. See what I get. At least this way we did get the nuthatch. Of course, we still seeing the titmice. There might be some decent. There's the black-capped chickadee, or the Carolina chickadee, as it were. I did not know that, so I did some research. Looks like it's a little bit concerned about what's going on around it right now. Maybe the other suet cage had the suet smushed up against the bottom. It must have been easier to get to it. And there's my picture of some of my big backyard birds.